Today I want to show you how to remove a Google account off of an Android phone. The process will vary slightly based on which Android phone you have, but I'm going to just give you a general framework of where to go and what to do to remove a Google account off of an Android phone. Let's jump right in. You want to find the Settings app. And on most phones, what you can do is if you don't see it on the home screen, there will be either an app drawer where you'll see a settings button, or you can just swipe down from the top in the upper right corner, click on the little settings wheel, and that will take you to the settings. Now, a lot of the newer phones will have a search option in the settings, so you don't even have to really know where to find it. Just look for the magnifying glass at the top of the screen, tap on that, and this will allow you to directly just search right for what you want. Type in accounts, and you may see accounts and sync. You might see cloud and accounts. It could say a lot of different things, but usually it's going to say accounts in the menu. We're going to tap on that, and this is going to show us all the accounts that are on the phone. Now, right now, this phone only has one Google account, so it's going to be really easy. We're going to tap on Google, and in the upper right corner, these three dots. So look for a menu. On this phone, it is in the corner, but on other phones, you may see it somewhere next to it. Tap on the three dots here and hit remove account. Hit remove again, and that's it. And now the Google account is totally off of the phone. So anything that was affiliated with that Google is gone. So if I try to go to Gmail, guess what? I'm not going to see any emails. Anything that was associated with that is removed and taken off the phone once you remove the account. So hope you guys did find that helpful. Make sure you like, favorite, and share if it was helpful. Hit that subscribe button and make sure